Welcome to my channel, the Rraycom, the future of products. What's up guys, welcome to my channel, the Rraycom. So in this video we are introducing the top 5 best RC car in 2023. Watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. Links of these products are in the description below, so let's get started the video. Number 5, Redcat Racing Piranha TR10 Truggy. The Piranha TR10 boasts an eye-catching design with a rugged off-road Truggy body and vibrant color scheme. Its 4WD chassis, adjustable suspension, and oil-filled shocks demonstrate a thoughtful design for versatile performance. The inclusion of a brushed motor and a 2.4 GHz radio system adds to its accessibility for users of different skill levels. Equipped with a 4WD system, the Piranha TR10 offers solid traction and control over various terrains. Its electric brushed motor balances speed and manageability, suitable for both newcomers and intermediate drivers. The adjustable suspension contributes to stable handling during high-speed maneuvers, while the oil-filled shocks dampen impacts for smoother rides. The setup process for the Piranha TR10 involves installing the battery, ensuring proper servo and receiver connections, and calibrating the radio system. Routine cleaning involves removing dirt and debris from the chassis, shocks, and wheels. The Truggy's modular design simplifies maintenance and component replacements in the entry-level and mid-tier RC Truggy segment. The Piranha TR10 faces competition from brands like Traxxas, ARRMA, and ECX, while it offers a good balance of performance and affordability. Number 4, Raycom HSP Racing RC Car 4WD 110 electric power on road high speed. The Raycom HSP Racing RC car boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design perfectly suited for on-road drifting. With its powerful electric motor and 4WD drivetrain, this car delivers exceptional acceleration and speed. The high-speed drifting capabilities are enhanced by its low center of gravity and adjustable suspension. It's an exhilarating experience both for beginners and experienced drivers. The setup process is straightforward even for those new to RC cars. The adjustable suspension camber and toe and settings enable fine-tuning to suit your driving style. The car is equipped with a responsive 2.4 GHz radio system, providing precise control without interference. The included rechargeable battery and charger offer convenient power options. The Raycom HSP Racing RC car is an excellent choice for RC car enthusiasts interested in competitive drifting events. Its high-speed capabilities, adjustable settings, and responsive controls give it an edge on the track. It's also a great platform for those looking to upgrade and customize further for competition. Number 3, ARRMA18 Typhon 4x4 V33 SBLX Brushless Buggy RC Truck. The ARRMA18 Typhon 4x4 V33 SBLX Brushless Buggy RC Truck boasts a sleek and aggressive design, blending aesthetics with aerodynamics. It comes 95% pre-assembled, making setup a breeze. The vehicle features a durable composite chassis, oil-filled shocks, and heavy-duty components for off-road adventures. The brushless motor and ESC provide impressive power and speed. The 2.4 GHz radio system ensures reliable control, while the waterproof electronics add versatility. The Typhon V33 SBLX delivers exhilarating performance, with speeds of up to 50+ mph. The brushless motor, combined with a 3S LiPo battery, provides ample power for high-speed runs and impressive acceleration. The suspension system absorbs shocks, providing a smooth ride even on rough surfaces. During testing, the Typhon V33 SBLX proved its mettle by offering an exciting and engaging RC experience. Its sturdy construction and advanced features contribute to its impressive durability and performance. The truck handled jumps, bumps, and off-road conditions with ease. Novice and experienced RC enthusiasts will appreciate its versatility and excitement factor. However, consider your skill level and budget. If you're new to RC vehicles, the Typhon V33 SBLX might be slightly overwhelming due to its speed. Still, with proper care and practice, it can provide hours of thrilling fun. Number 2, Hosim Large Size 110 Scale High Speed 46 km/h 4WD 2.4 GHz. The Hosim Large Size RC car features a 110 scale design with an aggressive and sporty look. Its 4WD, four-wheel drive, system provides excellent traction and control, while the 2.4 GHz remote control ensures responsive and interference-free operation. This RC car boasts an impressive top speed of 46 km/h, approximately 28.5 miles per hour, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users looking for high-speed excitement. The four-wheel independent suspension system offers good stability and handling. Even on rough terrain, the car's large size allows for better stability at high speeds and improved handling. The HASM RC car showcased its high-speed capabilities and handled well on various surfaces such as pavement, gravel, and grass. The durable construction and shock-absorbing suspension allowed it to handle jumps and uneven terrain effectively. If you're looking for a high-speed RC car with a balanced blend of performance and durability, the HASM large-size 110 scale RC car is a strong contender. However, it's recommended to consider your preferences, budget, and intended usage to determine if this RC car aligns with your needs. Number 1. ARRMA 17 Felony 6S BLX Street Bash All-Road Muscle Car. The ARRMA 17 Felony 6S BLX Street Bash All-Road Muscle Car is a high-performance remote-controlled car designed for on-road and off-road action with detailed bodywork and aero enhancements. The car is built on a durable 3mm aluminum chassis, ensuring strength and stability during extreme bashing sessions. The included wheels and tires provide excellent grip on various surfaces. Powered by a brushless 2050 kV motor and a 6S LiPo battery setup, the Felony 6S BLX delivers impressive speed and acceleration. It's capable of reaching high speeds on both pavement and dirt, making it a versatile choice for different environments. The combination of a powerful motor and the BLX 185 ESC electronic speed controller ensures smooth throttle control and consistent power delivery. In testing, the ARRMA Felony 6S BLX showcases its prowess in both speed and handling. Its well-tuned suspension and responsive steering allow for sharp cornering and stability at high speeds. Whether you should buy the ARRMA 17 Felony 6S BLX Street Bash All-Road Muscle Car depends on your preferences and intended use. Its high-speed capabilities and durable build make it suitable for both beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts. Thanks for watching the video. The links to the products mentioned in the video are available in the description below.
Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and press the bell icon.